Right now we are in the holy town of Katra in Riyasi district of Jammu and Kashmir. Katra is the base camp of Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Yatra, and after a gap of 22 days the Yatra has resumed today. Devotees from different parts of the country are arriving here in Katra. They are quite excited about this Yatra. Behind me you can see Darshini Deori. This is the starting point of the Yatra, and here you see the devotees are arriving here. The devotees have to get their registration done. They are also issued RFID cards, and only after that they can undertake the Yatra. This is the starting point of the Yatra. Here frisking is done. The documents of the Yatris are scanned and checked, and only after that they are allowed to proceed. Here you can see that few Yatris have arrived and they are now going to undertake this Yatra. As I said that for last 22 days the Yatra remained suspended because of the tragedy that struck here. On August 26, there was a major landslide on the Yatra track near Adkuari. I will just ask my camera person to show you the pictures. There you see. That's Adkuari, and on the Yatra track there was a massive landslide and more than 30 devotees lost their lives. On August 26, the Yatra was suspended, and it remained suspended for last 22 days because there was rubble on the Yatra track. The authorities have now cleared the rubble, and now Yatra has resumed from today. You can see that devotees have started arriving here at the base camp in Katra, and the Yatris are quite excited about this religious pilgrimage. There you see the Darshini Deodi, and here you also see that the walls are being painted because there were heavy rains in this area, and because of those rains the walls got dirty, and now the walls are being painted. The railings have also been painted here, and the devotees have started arriving at the base camp. Today is the first day of the Yatra. That is why not many Yatris are here, but the Yatris who are arriving here, handful of Yatris, they are quite excited about this Yatra. We spoke to many Yatris, and they said that they are going to pray for the peace and prosperity of everyone. There was a major tragedy here on August 26. There was a massive landslide, and a large number of devotees got trapped in the debris. More than 30 devotees lost their lives, while many others were injured. Now Katra is limping back to normalcy. Yatris have started arriving here, and they are quite eager and excited about this Yatra. This is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Katra in Riyasi district of Jammu and Kashmir for India Today.